For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Traveling for business can often be a stressful experience, but the right luggage can make all the difference. Introducing the new 24-inch rolling luggage with laptop bag, a versatile and practical travel solution designed to meet the needs of modern professionals. This suitcase, equipped with universal wheels and a durable PC polycarbonate box, offers a perfect blend of functionality, style, and convenience, ensuring that your business trips are as smooth and efficient as possible. Sleek and durable design. Its hard shell exterior is made from high-quality polycarbonate material, which is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. This ensures that your belongings are well protected from the rigors of travel, whether you're navigating through crowded airports or bustling city streets. The smooth, glossy finish of the suitcase adds a touch of sophistication, making it a stylish accessory for any professional traveler. Universal wheels for effortless mobility. One of the standout features of this rolling luggage is its universal wheel system. The four 360-degree spinner wheels allow for effortless maneuverability, enabling you to glide through airports, hotels, and conference centers with ease. Whether you're rushing to catch a flight or making your way through a busy terminal, these wheels ensure that your suitcase moves smoothly in any direction, providing maximum mobility and convenience. Dedicated laptop bag. In today's digital age, staying connected while on the go is essential for business travelers. This suitcase comes with a dedicated laptop bag, designed to securely hold your laptop and other electronic devices. The laptop bag is conveniently located in an exterior pocket, allowing you to easily access your laptop for security checks, or when you need to get some work done during your journey. The padded compartment provides extra protection for your devices, ensuring they remain safe and secure throughout your trip. Spacious interior with organized compartments. The main compartment is large enough to hold your clothes, shoes, and other essentials, while additional pockets and dividers help you keep smaller items, such as toiletries, chargers, and documents, neatly arranged. The suitcase also features compression straps to keep your clothes in place and minimize wrinkles, ensuring you arrive at your destination looking sharp and professional. Security is a top priority when traveling, and this rolling luggage is equipped with a 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 lock to keep your belongings safe. The lock ensures that your suitcase can only be opened by you and authorized 𝐶 agents, providing peace of mind while you travel. Additionally, the retractable handle makes it easy to transport your luggage, while the sturdy side handles offer a convenient way to lift and carry your suitcase when needed. Conclusion: the ultimate travel companion for business professionals. Its durable construction, effortless mobility, dedicated laptop compartment, and spacious interior make it an excellent choice for those who value convenience, style, and functionality. Invest in this versatile and reliable suitcase to ensure your business travels are always smooth and stress-free.